Hello guys, and welcome back to AMNOW Tech. In today's video, as you can see, we have this HP laptop here, and I'm going to show you how to install Windows 11, the latest version 24H2 on this PC. And previously I've created a video on how to create a bootable using a pen drive, and this is the pen drive which I created. If you haven't watched that video, click on the link at the top there to watch it. Before I start to power on the PC, let's plug in the pen drive before we start to power on the PC. So this is the pen drive, so let's plug it onto the PC. Plug it here. It is plugged in now. Now power on. Once you power on the PC, just keep pressing F9 to go into the boot menu options. As for HP, that is the boot menu, right? So as you can see, entering boot menu. So once it goes to the boot menu, it is going to list all the bootable devices which are available within the PC. As you can see, we have UEFI SanDisk Cruiser Blade. So that is our pen drive there. So as you can see, that is the pen drive over there. Now, so let's select that and then press enter. So press enter and leave it to load. So once we just press enter, just wait in a bit patient, and then it is going to start. This latest 24H2, the installation process is quite different from our previous versions of Windows we've been creating. I'm going to show you a detailed installation on this PC. Let's just wait for it to load finish. As you can see here, the display is different from how we have been installing the Windows. So in here we select our language. So language to install, I'm going to leave it on United States, and then time and currency, so just also leave it in United States too. So let's go to next, and let's select our keyboard layout. My keyboard layout is UK, so I'm going to change it to UK. Right, so click on next, and as we have here, we have install Windows 11. So select on I agree and repair my PC. So if you are already having Windows 11 and it's having a problem, you can just select the repair my PC. But as we are going to do a fresh installation, so just click on install Windows 11 and then I agreed everything, and then click on next. So here you just have to scroll down and accept the licenses and agreements. You can read through and then just accept. Here you just have to select your partition to install. These are my partitions available. My hard drive is 128 gig. That is it here. What I'm going to do is that I'm just going to delete all my partitions. One bad aspect of it is that you see these partitions. This is the pen drive which we used in creating the bootable. So but it can't be deleted nor create additional partition onto it. So it is just there, but we can't do anything with it. So let's go onto our drive and clean that up. So as we have there, for my option, I'm going to delete all the partitions and then recreate it. So let's just go to partition 1, delete this partition. Right, next partition 1, so delete that, and the next partition, which is this, delete that too. Delete this partition too. So I'm just going to delete all the partitions which are for the hard drive. So as you can see, now the hard drive is all together here. For these partitions, that is for the pen drive. So I'm just going to leave that here. So let's select our drive. You can just select the drive and just go to next direct, and it will start with the installation. But if you want to just create a partition, probably you want to partition your drive, you can just click on your drive and go to create partition. So this is where you just type in whatever size that you want. But for my case, I'm going to leave it all together because it's not that huge. So just click on apply. So all our partitions has been created. Now just select the huge size as it has already been selected. Now just go to next, and as you can see, this is just a recap of what we are going to do. It is going to install Windows 11 Pro, and then it is going to keep nothing on my drive because it is going to clear everything on my hard disk. So let's just go to install, and as you can see, this is just the installation process. As you can see, previously we used to have checkboxes, but now there are no more checkboxes. It's only the percentage which we have to read on. So we are just going to wait on this until it finishes, then we continue with the next step. Right, so this is just the next stage. As you can see, it's installing. So once the phase stage finishes, and this is our next page, which we are continuing from this stage, then we go to the next. So let it roll. As you can see, it is also installing 0%. As I earlier said, the installation of this is totally different from the previous versions of Windows we have been installing. Take note and keep watching. Alright, so as our PC has rebooted severally, now at this stage we have to select our region, and we are going to leave it as United States. So just click on next, and for the keyboard layout, as I said, my own is UK, so I'm going to select UK. Just select United Kingdom, next. So depending on your keyboard, or if you are having multiple keyboards connected to your PC, you can add another layout, but for my case I'm just going to skip. If you are having internet, you can just connect to the internet, log in using your Microsoft account to log in. But for my case, I'm not having internet, so I'm not going to be using internet here. So I'm just going to use the command prompt to skip this stage. So if you don't have internet, you can just continue watching, and then, but if you have internet, you can just connect with your network and proceed to the next step. Let's go. So on your keyboard, press Shift plus F10 to open the command prompt. Yes, as command prompt it is opened. Now let's input the command. The command is OOOBE / bypass NRO. Now once you just put on the command, press on enter, as our PC is going to restart. And once it restarts, it is going to continue back from selecting the region, the keyboard layout, as we did before. So let's wait for it to restart. So once again, let's select our region, select our keyboard layout, skip this. Now you can see I don't have internet. So because we don't have internet, so I'm just going to skip that. Now we input our name. Right, so here I'm just going to put on my name, so AMNOW Tech, and you go proceed to the next. Right, as you can see, we are booted in, and this is just our Windows latest version 24H2. To be sure that it's Windows 24H2, just go into your settings. Let's go into the settings. If you go into the settings, just go to system. On the system, all right, so this is just the Windows edition and version. So Windows, that is just the latest version 24H2 as at the time of recording this video. So guys, that is just how easy and simple it is to install Windows 11 24H2. That is the latest version as at the time of recording this video, and that is just how easy and simple it is to install it on this HP EliteBook 820 G3. So if this video was helpful, kindly leave us a like and comment if you are having challenges. This video on your screen shows you how to create the bootable of the 24H2 bootable pen drive. So guys, see you on this video. Peace out.